So hello everyone, so this video I'm going to show you how to import an MP3 file in Audacity without any error, especially that Huffman data over an error. So there is no solution for that in any YouTube or any website, so I'm going to show the error for that. So first I'm going to prove it. Okay, so first let me open a test MP3 file here. So this is the file test, so I'm going to open in Audacity. So just going to go file, open, and it is in C music. C music test. So this is the file test file that I told you. So its file type is of it's all types. Okay, so I'm going to just open it. So it clearly shows you error opening file. And when I tried it again, it clearly shows MP3 decoding failed, Huffman data overrun. So these are two commonly seen errors in Audacity when trying to open an MP3 file because it can be corrupted or it can format in a proper way. So I'm going to show the solution for that. For that, first you need to open VLC media player. Just double click and open it. Plain VLC media player. And then you are going to go to media and go to convert and save. These are the main steps to be followed in this process. So go to convert and save, and then you are going to go to add option. Just press it. So after pressing that add option, then you are going to go to the test, same test. I'm going to open the same corrupted MP3 file. I'm going to open it. So next thing I'm going to do is press convert and save. So here we are going to select the profile as audio. You need to change it as audio. It will be some other option, and you need to change this audio MP3. And just you need to change the destination file. So I am going to set the destination file as desktop. So final, I will save it as final something. So desktop final, save. So that's it. Start conversion. So okay, that's it. The process is over. Just close the VLC media player. Now you can see. So this is the file over here. Final. We have converted by using VLC. So it's pretty much simple. We're converting a MP3 file into MP3 file by using VLC media player. And something has happened and it works fine after that. So now we are again going to Audacity and going to go to file, open. Instead of going to that music folder, I'm going to this PC, desktop, and final, open. And now you can look that same file, same MP3 file. You have just passed it through VLC player and it's working fine perfectly. You can even clear the sound. So very much clear, same audio. So that's it guys. Any MP3 file from Red Huffman data over this has solved it. So thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe.